Hey guys, it's Luke, your Digital Concierge here at Gramophone, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the all-new and very exciting Sonos Move. Get brilliant sound anywhere with the all-new Sonos Move. It's weatherproof and drop resistant, which makes it excellent for both indoor and outdoor use. Offers you Wi-Fi streaming, but also Bluetooth for when it's not available. Alright guys, so let's get into this unboxing. But first, before we get into the box, let's take a look at the box, because Sonos always does a really nice presentation. As you can see on the front, nice picture of the product with just Move. One thing I really like about Sonos is how it's short, it's sweet, but it's elegant and well presented. Alright, let's take a look at the sides. You can see here that it's got a little handle built right into the side, so really fits the name Move pretty well. It's made to be very easily portable. I like how they point that right out on the box there. And then if we turn it around on this side, you can see that this is the Move, the premium battery-powered smart speaker. Overall, I really like what Sonos does with their design. It's simple, but it's eye-catching, it's elegant, and sleek. Now let's get into this thing. There is your welcome kit. Take off the top here, nicely form-fitted cardboard packaging. Sonos always takes a lot of pride in doing a good job keeping everything packaged up. Nice and wrapped up in a sock as well. And here is our power cable and accessories box. And that is it for the box itself. Now getting into this, ooh, look at that. With that convenient handle, oh yeah. I like this thing already. Alright guys, now I'll just go over with you what comes in the box. First thing is going to be the charging cradle, which works absolutely seamlessly. Watch this. The Move drops right in, it can be playing, you can lift it right off, seamlessly disconnects and just keeps going. Works great, and just is really out of the way when you're not using it too. It's just a simple ring. Of course, you have the Move itself with its sleek and elegant oval shape. Now if we take a look at the literature that comes with it, here is your quick start guide. You can see that is a really simple 3-step process to get your music playing. Turn on your speaker, get the Sonos S2 app, we'll talk a little bit more about that later, and just simply connect your speaker. And we have found Sonos to be basically the most reliable streaming platform that we've encountered. This stuff is super easy to use. And then you also, of course, have your product and warranty information page. And you get this awesome sock that keeps it well protected. This is a really soft velvet-like material, and you can see that it has reusable cord, and you can easily pack away your Move to keep this nice finish protected when you take it with you. So say you're going on vacation, want to take the Move with you, throw it in this sock, stick it in the trunk, nice and safe. This uses separate Class D amps for both the mid-bass and the tweeter. That way you have a clear signal path to both, ample power, and just an overall much better sound as they are each matched to the exact driver that they are pushing, which is a really good technique for any speaker. The mid-woofer in this is a very wide, bassy sounding woofer that fires slightly upward, while the tweeter conversely fires slightly downward. This gives you a really big sense of soundstage from such a small speaker. And another really cool thing about this, whenever you use your voice activation, this has a built-in far-field mic. That mic features something called beamforming as well as echo attenuation, so it can clearly pick up your voice no matter how far away you are and make your voice assistants work very well through the Sonos Move. The Move is also built with an IP56 rating, which means that it is both dust and water resistant. To give you an example, you can easily take this to the beach or use it poolside, and you don't have to worry about splashing it with water. It will be just fine. This works with AirPlay 2, with Bluetooth, and also features voice assistant compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant. And of course, being a Sonos product, it works over Wi-Fi streaming through the Sonos environment using either the S1 app or the S2 app. Now, the Move being one of the newer products is going to work great on Sonos S2. If you haven't switched to that yet and you're planning on getting a Move, get the new Sonos S2 app. It is faster, it is more user-friendly, it is more fluid, Everything about it is an improvement, and there's a bunch of other extra features packed in there, as well as some new ones we're still waiting on. We're really excited about those. We have been loving the S2 app. We know that you will too. All right, let's talk about the design aspects of the Sonos Move, and I'll start with the dimensions. This weighs about 6.5 pounds, so it's very light and easy to carry, stands about 9.5 inches tall, is 6.25 inches wide, and has a rounded diameter of about 5.5 inches. Now, when we look at the aesthetics of the Sonos Move, this thing is a knockout, and it does it while being so simple yet so sleek. Looking at what they did with the perforations on the Move, I think this just looks awesome. Rather than a traditional speaker grill, when you're up close, you can see that these are all just perfectly aligned. But as you move away, they just vanish. So whether you're near or you're far, this thing has a really intriguing and striking look. When you get to the foot where the battery is, this just goes to a flat matte gray. Looking at the top, you can see where you have your touch controls, and these actually work, by the way. They're very responsive. You have your play and your pause, as well as multifunction buttons that change based on the context. They usually do volume, but they can also do previous and next track as well, just depending on the app setup and what the context of what you're running on the Sonos Move is. You can also see on the top where you have the far field microphone for easily picking up your voice for voice commands. And what I really like is the Sonos logo seamlessly integrated right into the front of it. Cool thing about Sonos, the word or the name Sonos is actually a palindrome. Whether you spell it forwards or backwards, it is the same. And it's perfect how they've integrated it top down, and even when you turn it on its side or upside down, it's the same. Taking a look at the charging base, this thing is awesome because it's so seamless and out of the way. As you can see, it's a perfect oval that matches the Move itself, well, perfectly. Pick up the Move with this super convenient carrying handle, by the way, and it drops right in. It's super convenient and absolutely seamless. I know I've said that a million times by now, but I can't express how nice it is to have something that you can just lift right out. It keeps playing your music. It's as if nothing happened, and when it's time to charge it back up, it goes right back in and you're done. On the back, you can see a primary power button, the Sonos Connect button for connecting to the app for the first time. The button in the middle here controls via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, depending on what setup that you want to go with. And of course, you can see that lovely, beautiful little USB-C port on the back. I love it. Which is great for if you're, say, poolside and you don't have the dock, but maybe you have a mobile power bank and a USB-C cable. Boom. More music for more hours. And you guys can see that with the handle, which is seamlessly integrated into the body, that they didn't even have to add an external handle. Sonos has mastery of the oval, and they have employed it again to make the perfect carrying handle that you can't even see. That's knockout A+ product design, my friends. The Move is also available in 2 different colors. Today I have the striking shadow black with me, but there's also a very elegant lunar white. Whether you're just chilling out by the pool or entertaining guests at a dinner party, the Sonos Move makes you want to get up and do just that. Move. For just under $400, you can have a speaker that is sonically very pleasant, battery powered, and easy to control via the S2 app and the many built-in voice assistants. This is a speaker that you're going to want to take with you everywhere. You can purchase this awesome speaker 24/7 online at skybygramophone.com, where you can check out securely and receive fast and free shipping right to your door. Also, be sure to come by one of our showroom locations in Timonium, Columbia, and Gaithersburg, Maryland to check this thing out, and also make sure to stop by our Kitchen Design Center in Hunt Valley, Maryland. Whether you're looking for project ideas, need to schedule a service request, or want to speak to one of our hi-fi, home theater, and interior design experts, get inspired over at gramophone.com. Also, if you have any questions for me, ask at gramophone.com. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and drop a comment down below, and make sure that you are subscribed to the Gramophone channel for all of your audio and home theater needs. But don't forget, guys, we want to hear from you. What do you think of the Sonos Move, and what do you want to see from me in the future? As always, thank you for watching. Be seeing you.